Hello everyone. I welcome you all to the platform of digital classes. Here we provide you the solutions to various problems. If you're preparing for any competitive exam and if you face a problem in solving a question, you can just simply put up that question on our platform. You can contact on this number, and we'll provide you a solution as soon as possible. Usually, we'll give you an answer within a day. Now, actually, I have a one solution for a question was put up on a platform, and I'll show you the process. This is the question. There is one person. He covers a certain distance using by a certain speed. Now there is a condition. If that person increases his speed by 3 km/h, then he can cover the same distance in less than 40 minutes. Then the time it took him when he was going by certain speed. So that 40 minutes is converted to 2 by 3 hours. And similar way, if he reduces the speed by 2 km/h, in that case he takes 40, like he takes more 40 more minutes. Now here there is a correction in the question. It should be 40 more minutes. Now we have to find out the speed and the distance and the time. So this is the question. So let's go to the solution. Now, first we'll try to solve it using a conventional way, using the conventional concepts of distance is equal to speed into time, and then we'll go to a tricky solution for faster solutions, so that we can solve the questions in less time, which is a requirement of our competitive exams. So, let's say speed is s, distance is d, and time is t. Now, as per the question, d is equal to speed into time. Since he covers the certain distance by certain speed in time t, then we have distance is equal to, if he increases the speed by 3 km/h, s plus 3 into time taken is t minus 2 by 3, because he takes less 40 less minutes to cover the same distance if he increases speed by 3 km/h. So d is equal to s plus 3 into t minus 2 by 3. एंड द नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज, अगर वो अपनी चाल 2 km/h से अगर घटा देता है तो उसको 40 मिनट ज़्यादा लगते हैं, तो अपनी स्पीड को 2 km/h से बढ़ाएगा. सो एस माइनस टू. Then if and what happens is, if in that condition when he reduces the speed by 2 km/h, he takes 40 more minutes. So t will be t plus 2 by 3. सो 2 घंटे से कम किया, एस माइनस 2 km/h से कम किया, एस माइनस टू, 40 मिनट्स ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा, और टी प्लस 2 by 3 विच इज इक्वल टू द डिस्टेंस. नाउ विल फॉलो द सिंपल मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मुलेशंस एंड सॉल्विंग प्रोसेस. विद दैट विल सॉल्व द इक्वेशन 1, 2, 3, and all the process is given in the slides. You can go through, you will understand it is very lucid. Then that way if you follow, you will get an answer. T is equal to 10 by 3. Time taken is 10 by 3 hours. Speed is 12 km/h and distance is 40 kilometers. Now, one tricky solution to this, faster way to reach the solution is, you have to think before proceeding to the solution. You have to think about the question. Now the question says, अगर वो 3 km/h से स्पीड को बढ़ाएगा तो उसको 40 मिनट कम टाइम लगता है. इन द सेंस वो ये कर रहा है कि अगर वो 3 km/h से जो डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा, वो डिस्टेंस जो है वो पहले अगर वो नॉर्मल स्पीड से चलता तो 40 मिनट्स में कवर करता. सो 3 km/h से अभी जो टाइम लगता है, दैट इज़ t माइनस 2 by 3, उसमें जो डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा इज़ इक्वल टू हिज नॉर्मल स्पीड s इंटू योर 40 मिनट्स. सो दैट इज इक्वेशन 1. एंड सिमिलरली, अगर वो अपनी स्पीड 2 km/h से कम करता है तो 40 मिनट ज़्यादा लगते हैं. तो इन दैट केस वो 2 km/h से जो टोटल टाइम में जो टोटल उस टाइम में जो वो डिस्टेंस कवर करता, उस जो डिस्टेंस कवर करता, दैट इज़ 2 इंटू टी प्लस 2 by 3, वो इक्वल होगा नॉर्मल स्पीड से जो 40 मिनट्स में डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा, एस इंटू 2 by 3. तो यहाँ पे दो इक्वेशन निकल के आती है इजीली, एंड उनको अगर सॉल्व करेंगे, इफ़ यू सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशंस विल गेट द सॉल्यूशन. टी इज इक्वल टू 10 by 3, एंड फ्रॉम दैट वी कैन फाइंड आउट द अदर वैल्यूज़. Now this is the solution. Thank you guys for watching the video, and yeah, if you have any questions, if you have any problem in any topic, if you have facing difficulty in understanding any concept, in solving any question related to any competitive exam, please contact on this number, and please, or you can go, you can just leave in the comment section. We'll provide you the solution. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up.